Good day, everybody, and welcome back to Mathematics class with Teacher Matthew. Today, we're going to take a look at lesson 12.4, equal groups. Now, let's take a look at the warm-up. Look at these jars of marbles. How many jars do you see? That's 5. That's correct. Now, how many marbles in each jar? That's 2. Correct. Now, how could you figure out the total number of marbles without counting them? So we can count in step of 2, right? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So 5 jars of 2 marbles is 10. Now, write equation. What equation could you write to show this thinking? You can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 10. Now, imagine there are 4 marbles in each jar. What would be the total number of marbles, and how do you know? So let's imagine there are 4 marbles in each jar. So we're going to have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 20. 5 jars of 4 marbles. So when we count in step of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So we have 20 marbles in total. Now let's go to the workout and see. Workout number 1. So write numbers to describe the equal groups. So here we have 2 groups of 5 cars is 10. That's correct. Part B. 3 groups of 2 is 6. Part C. 3 groups of 3. That's correct. 3 groups of 3 is 9. And part D. We've got 2 groups of 6. That's correct. 2 groups of 6 is 12. Good job, guys. Now let's go on to workout number 2. So workout number 2. Write numbers to describe the equal group, then write an equation to match. So for part A, we've got 3 groups of 5. That's correct. So 3 groups of 5 is 15. And the equation will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Now part B. How many rows of planes? We've got 2 rows of 4 planes is 8. And the equation will be 4 plus 4. Double 4 is 8. Now let's go to part C. You've got how many tubes of balls? 3 tubes of 4 balls equals 12. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Now part D. You've got 4 stacks of 2. which is 8. 4 stacks of 2 is 8. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 8. Now write it down and let's continue. You can pause the video now to copy in your book. Now let's go to the fast finishers. Write the total. Then draw a picture to match the equation. So we have the equation to be 8 plus 8 plus 8. So let's draw a picture. You can draw a picture similar to teacher's picture, like this. And when we count in jumps of 8, we get 24. 8, 16, 24. You can pause the video now so you can draw your picture. As you can see, we have 3 groups of 8 balls. Now let's go to the practice book. Bring out your practice book, everybody. And open to 12.4. Write numbers to describe the equal groups, then write an equation to match. So we have 4 bags of 4 apples. I think it's an apple. Is 16. And the equation will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. Now part B. We have 2 rows of 3 ducks, which is 6. So we'll write the equation to be 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6, I beg your pardon. Part C. 3 jars of 3 is 9. So we write 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And part D. We've got 3 rows of 5 is 15. And equation will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Part E. We've got 2 boxes of 8 is 16. So we have double 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now part F. We've got 2 groups of 6 nails or equals 12. So double 6 is 12. There you have it. That's all we have for today. See you in the next class. Have a beautiful day.